Hi, y'all, and welcome to episode 27 of Thursday Tidbits. My name is Kathy Rucat Smith, and I'm a realtor with Palmetto Coastal Homes in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Today, we're going to cover 5 ideas to help increase your curb appeal in the spring. Number 1, tidy up your landscaping. Declutter your yard and take away anything that can distract buyers from your home. So, you want them to see the house and not things like your garden gnomes and your garden globes and your kids' toys. Work on your flower beds. Weed, remove, and replace any dying or dead flowers and plants, and then also add some flowers for a pop of seasonal color. Add or replace mulch. That new mulch is going to make those flowers that you just planted pop. Clean your water features. If you've got a water feature, drain it and give them a good cleaning. And last but not least, mow your yard and make sure everything is edged. Number 2, power wash and paint. Power wash your house and your sidewalks and your driveway. It's really amazing what a good power washing can do for a house. And after you've power washed, you may notice some peeling paint. So take some time to paint your railings and your trim. Number 3, freshen up your entryway. Now's a great time to paint your front door a trendy color. If you're not quite ready to paint your front door a trendy color, just refresh the paint that's there. And after you've painted, you may decide it's time for a new doorknob and a new door knocker. Also, think about replacing your address numbers and make sure they can be easily seen from the street, because after all, you want to make sure the buyers can find your house once it's listed for sale. So finish up your entryway with a seasonal wreath on your front door. Maybe put some potted plants on either side of your doorway, and then add a new doormat. Number 4, update your lighting. So change out your porch fixtures to new modern fixtures. You may also want to consider adding lighting around your walkway or to accentuate some of your landscaping or other features in your yard. And finally, number 5, tackle your mailbox. Mailboxes are one of the last things that we think about when updating our curb appeal, but it's one of the first things that your buyers see when they come see your house or see the pictures online. So either replace your mailbox if it's in bad shape, or consider just repainting it if it doesn't need to be replaced. And if you've got any flowers or plants that are left over from step 1, add a little flower bed around your mailbox. Increasing your curb appeal can easily be done by a trip or maybe 2 to your local hardware store or garden center. The benefits of increasing your curb appeal are huge. Not only do buyers perceive a higher value of a home when the landscaping and front yard is well taken care of and well maintained, but it also makes them want to come and see your home. You've probably heard the old adage 100 or more times. You never get the chance to make a first impression, and that's never more true for your home when your home is on the market. And if you're not ready to sell your home, still invest some time and some money into your curb appeal. That way you've got something beautiful to see when you come home every day. So as always, if you have any questions, or if you're thinking about buying or selling in the Murrells Inlet market, or just interested to learn about what it's like to live at the beach, contact me. And as always, have a great day. Talk to you soon.